Kabete MP Ferdinand Waititu was quick to react to the Judicial Service Commission's verdict recommending a tribunal be formed by the President to determine Justice Tunoi's fate. But Nairobi Governor Dr. Evans Kidero, who maintains his innocence, says Waititu's move will not succeed.
We'll be going to court on Monday, to Supreme Court, to seek a reversal of the judgment by the Supreme Court, so that we can go back to the judgment by the Court of Appeal that had clearly indicated that Governor Evans Kidero and the Deputy Governor were not validly elected.
Kitabu cha Deuteronomy 28:7. Deuteronomy chapter 28 verse 7. My enemies will come from one direction, lakini watatoroka na mbio kabisa in 7 different directions. Wawe watu ambao walitoroka kwenda Kiambu kutafuta gavana ya Kiambu, wanaona wanaweza rudi, haiwezekani.
The ball is now in President Uhuru Kenyatta's court. The due process of the law is that he constitutes a tribunal within 14 days of the JSC handing over the report on Justice Philip Tunoi. Justice Tunoi says he is ready to face a tribunal and clear his name. However, should he feel aggrieved by the outcome of that tribunal, he is allowed by law to appeal. First, Justice Tunoi is separately faced with a pending case over the age limit for judges, with a hearing set to begin on February 12th. Should this case be dispensed expeditiously, he would have to exit the bench. Then there's the Deputy Chief Justice, Kalpana Rawal, who is also facing a case over the judge's retirement age, which starts on February 15th. The Supreme Court President and Chief Justice, Dr. Willie Mutunga, is also set to take early retirement in June. This leaves a probability of 3 open slots on the bench. The bench should be left with 4 judges and, as a result, a quorum hitch. The other looming crisis is that which will unfold if Tunoi goes through the tribunal process and, in the event he is dissatisfied with the outcome, decide to challenge the decision at the Supreme Court, which is by law allowed within 10 days after the tribunal makes its recommendations.
Here is an allegation that this money was paid and this money may have been shared amongst other judges in the Supreme Court. And when you lose at the tribunal stage, your petition is going to be heard by the same judges. In my view, in view of that kind of a confusion, it is proper and fair that we do not go to the question of constituting a tribunal.
The trouble of constituting a full Supreme Court bench may once again come into question. Jackie Maribe, Citizen Weekend.